Hello everyone, and welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this video, we're going to do a line drawing of the goddess Saraswati using Procreate for iPad. At times during this video, I'll discuss what I'm doing, so stay tuned. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content. Let's get started. Before we start, I will introduce my tools. Majority of this drawing is sketched using the UdoCreatives sketching tool and UdoCreatives sketching 1 tool at 12% size with full opacity. Then, the shading is created with my smudge tool and soft brush. Sizing and opacity depends on location and use. We'll start by sketching the crown of the goddess, working down to the head. Notice that I focus on the details of the crown by adding lines to the top and putting in the various details before going down. You can either do this now or come back to it later. If the video is too fast to follow, you can slow it down. Next, we'll go down to the head, shading in the brows, to the eyes, to the nose and mouth. With the help of the crown, I am able to place these features in a suitable location, respective to each other and the face in general. Through that, I can use the crown to make the face shape and its accompanying details. Then, we'll move down to the neck with the accompanying jewelry and pan out the shoulders and the rest of the body from that. I focus on the individual hands of Saraswati, using the opportunity to sketch her veena. For the veena, I took into account the slant of the instrument and drew Saraswati accordingly, ensuring a straight slant. A trick that can be done here is to draw a slanted line and draw your picture to that point. Once done, you can delete the line and you would get the same effect. I started with the base of the instrument, then took the opportunity to sketch the head before completing the body of the veena. Again, it is imperative to take into account the placement and locations of each drawing with respect to the other aspects and the drawing as a whole. Remember that you can slow down the video if you feel like I am going too fast. Next, we'll return to our goddess and work on her last hand, as well as her legs and the rest of her outfit detailing. We will also complete our veena and add the minor details to it. Follow closely, or add at the end, as you wish. During this process, I will also add the lotus that she sits on and a swan bird. A little trick I use for drawing flowers is sketching them like little droplets and modifying as needed. Now, we will go into shading and further detailing. If you didn't do the initial detailing in the beginning, you can pause the video and use this chance to do that, or rewind and work through it as slowly as you would like. Once you're ready, let's get started. We'll return to the crown and add in some shades using my UdoCreatives sketching tool 12% size, full opacity, and softening it with the smudge tool and soft brush. Remember, we want to give the picture a more 3D feel, so we have to shade according to the position of light on the picture. Follow closely and see the locations that I shaded and softened. Also, practice your shading by determining the location of light on the photo or object. This is a place where you can be creative and see what you make. Do not be scared of ruining your drawing, because there is no such thing, only learning and improving. I added shading using grey to the skin, the vena, and the lotus, detailing the shades and adding finishing details. And there we have it! The goddess Saraswati is drawn using Procreate for iPad. Remember that practice is key to improving on your art journey, so do not feel discouraged if you do not get it right the first time. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to always start out with a simplified sketch to see what designs you can experiment with. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.